Hi, today we're going to talk about what happens when you can't seem to find a resource on a resource list on a specific project. So I'll go into Project Alphabet and we'll just bring up the task list view. And let's say I want to change a resource and I go to my options and I realize, gosh, I'm limited to, these 7 or 8 people, but I know there's 20 people on this list that I should be able to choose from. There's a setting in projects that allows you to limit particular resources based on resource type and other things too. So you'll want to check in the Edit menu, go to Edit Project Options. This is just for Project Alphabet. You can see that we have all sorts of controls for what project views we can see on this project, what client options there are in this project, also some security and work effort, things like that. But down to the end, we do have some checkboxes for adding resources to projects and tasks. If you're a system administrator, you'll be able to decide how you want these projects and tasks to function with resources. You can see that this toggle has been set to limit task user assignment to project resources. So I'm going to toggle that off. Now it's going to allow me to see all of the users available in the whole system. But you can see you can limit it for other ways too. Limit the issues to user assignment to project resources, or limit to-dos, or limit comments, etc. You'll want to take some time to look over these options if you do need to limit the resources on a certain project. So I've cleared that toggle. And now I'm going to go back to the task list. I might not have hit save. Sorry, got to hit OK. And then I'm going to go back to the task list. And now if I want to change that resource, you can see I've got quite a few more options in this whole list. So you can change it there. Now let's say that you want to change this on a project level, on a global level to all of your projects. You'll need to go to the projects add-on in the add-on listing. So I'll just scroll down to projects and tasks, and then I'll click configure, and I can do that from the level of global as it relates to resources here. So that's how you change the settings for resources on project and tasks, whether you want to limit them or make them unlimited.